Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Minifs and the Maxifs in Excel, which is similar to the COUNTIFS and SUMIFS, but in here, you're using the if statement, but you're getting the minimum or the maximum amounts. So I have here some examples, some data, and the first example that we have is to get the minimum sales and the maximum sales of a specific customer. So that's one criteria. So I'm going to write min ifs here, and the minimum range will be amount of sales. So F4, comma, criteria range 1 will be the specific list of customers, which is customer name. F4, lock it, we're going to copy and paste it, comma, and the criteria is the specific customer here, the A customer here, and close it. That's it. Enter, copy and paste it here, and you have the minimum sales per customer. And that's the same thing with the max if. I'm gonna write max ifs here. Maximum range will be the sales, F4, comma, criteria range 1 is the customer name, F4, comma, and customer name here, specific customer here, and close it, copy and paste it, and you have it, the maximum sales. So I have here extra examples. So we get the minimum sales, maximum sales, but in this case, if you want to know which product contains that minimum and maximum sales, you can have that using the index and match. But copying this min ifs here, the whole thing, Control C, okay, escape. And I'm gonna write index and match here in this cell. So I'm writing the index. Now the array will be the product. We wanted to return the product description. F4, comma, and the row number will be supplied with the match function. And the lookup value now, I'm going to control V, that's the minifs, that's our lookup value, comma. The lookup array now is the sales, amount of sales. We're looking for that in the match. F4, comma, we need exact match, leave it blank, close the match, and close the index, and that's it. Enter. You have the specific product here with minimum sales per customer. And that's the same thing with the max if. Again, I'm going to copy this whole thing here, the whole formula of the max ifs, and then I will write the index. Index again is the product description, F4, comma, the row number is the match, lookup value is the max ifs. I'm pasting it here, Control V, comma, and the lookup array will be the sales. F4, comma, close it. That's it. And copy and paste it. You have the maximum amount. So let's check it if this is correct. This is A. This is the minimum sales. Yes, that's the minimum sales. Now the maximum is here. So that's correct. And that is equivalent to product 2 and also product 2. So that's the answer for that. So that's it. Now the last example is using the min ifs and the max ifs with multiple criteria. So I'm going to use two criteria here, but you can use as many as 100 plus for max ifs and 200 plus for min ifs for the criteria. That's a lot. So I'm going to show you just two criteria. You can just add another criteria based on your requirements. So in here, I wanted to have minimum sales and maximum sales for product 1 and specific customer. So I'm writing the min ifs, open, and the minimum range will be the amount of sales again, F4, comma. Criteria range 1 is, let's work with the product first. So that's it, F4, comma, and product, this is an absolute reference, lock it, comma, criteria range 2 will be the customer name, F4, comma, and specific customer is A here. This is a relative reference. Don't lock it. We're going to copy and paste it, close it, and that's it. Enter, copy and paste it, and that's it. Now, for the max ifs, that's the same thing. When I write the max if, this is the sales, F4, comma, criteria range 1 is the product, F4, comma, this is the product reference, F4, comma, and criteria range 2 is the specific customer, F4, comma, And criteria 2 is the specific customer. Don't lock it again, close it, copy and paste it, and that's it. It's how you use the Minifs and the Maxifs with one or more criteria. And that's it. I'm finished here. I'm done. If you're liking my videos, you can subscribe in my channel and see you next time, and thanks.